Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the currency in Zoho Invoice. If you work with international clients or simply need to update your billing preferences, adjusting your currency settings is an important step. And the good news is, it's quick and easy once you know where to look. First, log into your Zoho Books account with your usual credentials. Once you're inside, you'll be on the main dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your financial activities. From here, go to the top corner of the page and click on the Settings icon. This is where you'll find the different configurations you can use to customize your account. For this task, we'll focus on the Organization section. Inside this tab, select Profile. The Profile page stores your business's key information like your contact details, company name, and other operational settings. It's important that everything here is accurate because these details directly affect how your invoices look to clients. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Currencies. This is where you manage both your default currency and any alternate currencies you might need. If your business deals with multiple countries, this is especially useful. To make an update, click on Edit. If you only need to adjust or add a secondary currency, you can do that here. But if you need to change the base currency, the primary one your business uses, click on Change Base Currency. Zoho will give you a full list of available options, so simply select the currency you want to switch to. After making your selection, be sure to click Save. Your changes won't go live until you do. Keep in mind that changing the base currency can affect other parts of your Zoho Books setup, so it's always a good idea to double-check your reports and invoice templates after the update to ensure everything lines up correctly. By following these steps, you can manage your organization's currency settings with confidence, making sure your invoicing process stays clear and accurate no matter where your clients are based. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple Zoho tutorials and helpful business tips.